Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, headlight cleaners, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Only the best pre-owned Lexus vehicles qualify for the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program. Warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection provide you total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program.